Music. Citigroup versus Charles Schwab, which bank is better? In this video, we'll compare these two to help you choose the best fit. Links are below. Let's dive into their key features and who they are best for. Citigroup is a global financial powerhouse offering diverse products for individuals and businesses. Known for its vast branch network and international presence, Citigroup serves over 100 countries. They offer traditional banking services like checking, savings, loans, credit cards, wealth management, and investments. Their robust digital platform includes a strong mobile app. Citigroup is ideal for those needing a well-established global bank, especially if you travel or require business banking services. Charles Schwab, primarily online, focuses on investments and low-cost banking. They offer competitive checking and savings with no monthly fees and high-yield interest options. Schwab's key advantage is its integrated investment platform, perfect for managing banking and investments together. They also boast some of the industry's lowest fees, including no ATM fees globally, ideal for travelers. However, Schwab has fewer branches than Citigroup, suiting those comfortable with online banking and investment management. So, if you need a global, traditional bank with diverse services, Citigroup is strong. But for low fees, high-yield accounts, and an integrated investment platform, Charles Schwab might be better. Check the links below to explore further and decide what works for you.